What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, another day, another trip to the Santa Clarita Nike clearance store. Man, they got steals. Once in a while they got a heat card. Let's go check it out. All right, it's been about a week since I came here, and I did come up on some mids last time for a homie. I need to drop that off though. But yeah, let's go see what they got. Oh, of course. As soon as I come in here, gotta check the heat wall. They got something. Got dunks. Got some Jordan 1s. I'm just trying to see what they got. That is the crappy thing when you're in line. Like, you can't even see. Alright, we'll get closer and we'll see. They got some Jordan 1 lows right there. Those are size 10, it looks like. Okay, Jordan 1 low, all white. They got some dunks on the top. They got some trainers. And then I think Jordan 6 is right there. Okay. Can I just see what you guys have first? And then I just want to see. 6s, dunks. Okay, not bad. That's what they got. All right, nothing that I really wanted at the cart, unfortunately. So, all right, let's go check the aisles. I really want to check the apparel too. I need some t-shirts and stuff. All right, I'm starting with apparel, you guys. Look at this. Got Super Bowl apparel. Rams Super Bowl apparel, $50. This is an XL. And is this Tech Fleece? Like, I don't know. This is on-field stuff, which is some of the better stuff. You know, these are these are normally $145. Normally $145 down to $50. These are all XLs. Holy crap, that's what's up. That is what's up. That's so nice and soft too. Of course, it is starting to get warm, so you know they got all their winter stuff. Normally $350 down to $100. These are all small, so dang it. Still got Lakers jerseys, the Mamba jerseys. These are the Davis. I was gonna say Baron Davis, Anthony Davis jerseys. These are all small though. Go for $40. Normally $110 because these are the Swingman jerseys. Also got LeBron as well. Okay, I was checking to see if they have other sizes. I don't see any other sizes. They had medium and large, and I let y'all know earlier, but looks like all the medium and large are gone. Extra large as well. Do got the USA jerseys. These are pretty dope. These were normally $110. $40 for these. Those are size smalls right there. Also got Kawhi Leonard as well. Got the blue ones as well. $40. These are all smalls. Bagley jerseys. I think one of y'all told me he got traded, right? Double XL going for $40. And PG jerseys. This is an authentic right here. Normally $2 down to $80. 52. Is that a large? I don't know the sizes. Do got the Penny jerseys. These are all larges. Penny jerseys. What's the price though? Those are going for $40. I don't know the regular price. So you got the Ray Gun jerseys going for $40. Vince Carter Ray Gun jerseys. Okay. Do got a Phoenix Suns. This is an authentic. It's a blank one though. These are going for $80. That's a 40, which I think is a small. Normally $2. Okay, even got the PayPal logo, even got that little logo on it. Maybe you customize this one. Maybe this is one you get customized, put your own number on the back. All right, maybe this is where the mediums are. See a bunch of the USA jerseys go for $40. Do you got the red, and then do you got the blue? Then you also got the white ones. Bunch of PG authentic jerseys. Got Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi Leonard's are the Swingman ones. These are small, going for $40. That's about it. Also got another one of these. Damn, I was hoping to find some dope apparel. Not really finding other than the jerseys, not finding too much craziness. Did see this Nike SB hoodie right here for $25. Probably like $80 normally, $25. That is Nike SB. She goes for a premium. Tons and tons of hoodies. I'll go for $30. Pretty much any colorway, dang. Speaking of apparel, do got some Jordan 3 Black Cements, one of the OG stuff right there. Super dope. This is the last generation. I think came out in 2018. Came out with the Nike Air on the back. And then I'm wearing bread shorts. These are Jordan bread shorts. Got here, the clearance store. Then t-shirt, Jumpman LA t-shirt. Big fan of this. All right, let's move on to the sneakers. I don't know why, but I'm start at the size 10. So start at the 10, 10 and a half. That's my size. Let's see what they got. I do got some KDs right here. Look at this. 70 bucks for these KD 13s. These came out for $1.50. That is just a hell of a deal. Man. 11 and a half. What the hell? Look at this. Come here for that. I can't hear Series 0.3s. This is one of the later ones. But yeah, $40 for these. It's 11 and a half though. Kind of chilling in the size 10 and a half section, but hella cheap. 40 bucks. Not a big fan of that colorway, but it is suede. You like suede? 10 and a half. Plenty of Monarchs. Still $40. What the hell are these? What are these? Oh, some zoom types? Is this a different? Oh, this is a different colorway. I've never seen this. Yeah, I've never seen these. 80 bucks. $80 for these. Not bad, not bad. I've never seen this colorway though. And it's like a felt material too. Kind of interesting. Okay. Verona slips going for 35. This is a 10 and a half. Ton of golf shoes. Ton of golf sneakers. The Infinity Tours going for 70 bucks. Air Tuned Max going for 80 bucks. These are the size 10s. Got another one of the KDs right here. Size 10 go for 70. KD 13s. Okay. Air Max Genomes. I figured I'd see a ton of these here because they came out with a bunch of different colorways. 80 bucks for these. Infinity Run React Flyknits 2 going for 80 bucks. Okay. And then the nursing shoes that we've seen everywhere. The Zoom Pulse going for 60. We've seen these cheaper at some of the other spots, at the regular outlets to be honest. Moving on to the size 11s. This is 11 and a half actually. 100 bucks for these. This is the cheapest we've seen. These are 100 bucks for these. This is definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Not bad. These, I think they've been selling for what, 159, 139 at the regular out, so not bad, not bad. Still in the 11 and a half section. Look at this Kyrie 6s. This is a clean colorway. Black, white, and gray. You really can't go wrong with that. That is fire, dude. That's fire. So cheap. 60 bucks. Remember, these run hella big, so dude, I might even be able to fit in 11 halves. Maybe an 11. If I had an 11, I'd think about it for hoops, because I love the Kyries for hoops. Pegasus 38, size 11, go for 60. More of these Air Max Genomes go for 80. Infinity React Pros going for 50 bucks. Normally $120 for these golf cleats. Okay. Some Daybreaks. Oh, Waffle Trainer 2s, my bad. 100 bucks for these. There's no way, no, man. I'd say probably like 60 bucks. I don't know. I'm guessing though. Zoom types, these are the Craters. New colorway, or different colorway we haven't seen. 70 for those. We saw these Waffle Trainers in that other size. 50 bucks. Okay, see, that's what I thought. 50, normally 100. I don't think I mentioned what size 9. More of these. 40 bucks for those. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. Go for $100. I'm looking for one of those. Looking for some running shoes for a nephew. Like, these would be fire. These would be fire. He needs a size 9.5 though. More of these Series 0.3s go for $40. That's so cheap. These sample boxes, I love looking at these because it's always a surprise. You have no clue. Oh no, these. What the hell are these? SB Heritage Volks. No clue what the hell those are, but 40 bucks. Super cheap. These normally go for like 90, I think, or 100. Challenger OGs for y'all that like the old school stuff right there. 50 bucks for those. This is size 11 though. Why is this here? Flex Run 2s. For those of y'all that are minimalists, don't like a lot of cushioning and comfort. I don't know, 50 bucks for these. Flight Posit 2s. I haven't seen these in forever. 100 bucks. Haven't seen these in forever. And dude got these Invincible Run Flyknits. $80. Normally 100 bucks. Normally $180. So that's one of the bargains, man. Damn. Size 8s, another one of these. Go for 70. PG4s going for 50. Waffle Trainer 2s going for 50. Pegasus 38s going for 60. Okay, that's a hell of a price. Is this another colorway? Yeah, another colorway. The Tempo Next Percents. Damn, these are fire, dude. These are actually dope. If they had one of these colorways for my boy, if they had that in a size 10 would fit him right. That'd be dope, but I don't think they do. We got some Joyrides here in the size 12. Remember, they were hyping these up like a mug. $2 normally. Oh, these are the OBJs too. Okay. So 100 bucks for these. React Legend 9 Pros. I've never seen these. Okay, some indoor running shoes or indoor soccer shoes, it looks like. Okay, $35 normally, $120. Vomero 16s only $1.60 down to $70. So what, 90 bucks off. Pegasus, more Pegasus 38s going for 60. 13 React Milers going for 60 bucks. Dude got tons of soccer cleats. I think I've ignored a bunch of them. But yeah, look at these, the Phantom GT2 Elites. And this is like Nike's top of the line soccer cleats. Normally $275 down to 70 bucks. Dude got a ton of budget models as well. $20 for these. Vapor 14s, normally 55. 14, size 14s, you get a ton of basketball sneakers. 50 bucks for the PGs, 60 for the Kyries. Multiple colorways of the Kyries. Air Zoom BB NXTs go for 80 bucks. Got multiple colorways of those. Got running shoes too. Phantom Run React Finest go for 70. Got purple ones too. Also got the Court Blazers go for $30. Showed y'all these in the past, like 15 and a half, 16 and a half, and they don't just have one or two of these, they have multiple 16 and a half. These are sizes that you just never see anywhere. And they're dirt cheap too, 30 bucks for these. They're just trying to get rid of them. All right, I think we're gonna have to check maybe the kids section. Let's go check out the kids section. I haven't checked out the kids section in a while. Look at the Zoom Freak 2s, freaking going for $40. Wow. I'm getting rid of all their kid stuff. Crater Impacts going for 40. This is the 7Y, by the way. Air Max 270 Extremes. These ain't no 270 Extremes, fool. What y'all tripping, dude? All right, I don't know. Some Prestos going for $40. This is a 5Y. Most of the other stuff is a 7. These Hirachis going for 40 bucks. Genomes going for 70. LeBron's going for 70 as well. 270 Reacts. That's a weird colorway. 70 bucks for these. Going down to the 6.5s. These sizes are good for women and kiddos. My kid's a 6.5, 7. That's why I'm looking at 6.5, 7. 70 bucks for these. Air Max Genos, normally $1.50. Deltas going for $40. Crater Impacts going for 40. Kind of seen some of the same stuff, to be really honest. Waffle Ones going for 40. Got the LeBrons. We saw these earlier. 70 bucks for these. Next Nature, the Explorer Next Natures. I don't know what the price is. Not seen too much in the kids, to be honest though. Someone asked me to show backpacks recently. Yeah, I've showed backpacks like a ton. They really don't have much. I usually show that type of stuff when they have a really good selection. Like, there's just not much. I've showed a bunch of backpacks. I bought like 5 or 6 backpacks on the channel, so like I've showed a ton of them. But yeah, not much. We did see the heat wall, didn't see the craziest stuff. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna go see if they changed anything, because they do make changes on there once in a while. Okay, nothing really, not really seeing too much. Nothing new. All right, nothing there. One last walk around. I don't always show it, but I do walk around here like crazy. You have to go through every little thing here to really find the dopest stuff. Like, what the F is this, man? They got like, has a dove on it. Like, what the hell? 20 bucks? I can see why it's 20 bucks. But yeah, you really do have to look around. You know, I'll talk about it. I'll talk about that. But I think we're gonna wrap it up. All right, let's go. All right, guys, that was it. I did see the heat wall, or the heat cart, so that was pretty dope. Didn't see anything crazy on there. Did see those Jordan 1 low. I think they were size 15, the all white ones. Those were a hell of a deal, but obviously size 15, I'm not gonna get size 15. But yeah, I did find the heat cart. They had some dunks on there, nothing that I really needed. So obviously I didn't get anything. But yeah, it is what it is. I did mention inside there that you really do have to go through every single aisle, every single section and stuff, because they will have some dope apparel, and they'll just have like a one of. Like, I bought all kinds of, like I bought a bunch of Laker gear here. I bought a bunch of them, sweatshirts, t-shirts. Like, I bought all kinds of stuff here. So you really do have to look. Sometimes they only have one of something. So you know, it is what it is. But yeah, definitely worth the look. You know, they are full of stuff, full of sneakers, full of apparel. Definitely worth the look, and hopefully you can find some if you come. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Y'all know I do drop a video every freaking morning. And there's certain days where I drop 2. So yeah, have that notification turned on. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. See you guys next one. Peace.